Hello guys, this is Crypto Design aka Crypto Chapin. Good day all who are there listening. Today I want to present a very vital coin to you that I want you guys to buy and also invest your hard-made money in because you have nothing to lose but you have all things to gain. This coin was developed by some group of Israeli, and you guys know that Israeli are one of the best IT personnel in the world right now. This coin has a lot of applications and services for fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. The purpose of this coti coin. The coti coin network was designed with the goal of developing a next generational payment network that could gain widespread adoption by consumers and merchants, serving as a catalyst for the mainstream and acceptance of digital currency as a payment method. This coin, when it's being launched, the Wall Street Journal will be published on the Wall Street Journal, and the whole entire world will buy into it. That's why I was advising you initially to invest your money into this cryptocurrency, because it has lots of potentials to be among the first 5 crypto coin in the coin market. I would like to unveil the reason why this coin was being developed and what the team actually developing the right moment. This coti coin is developing a suite of applications and services offering that will provide consumers, merchants, and mediators with seamless connectivity to the coti network. That's what the team is actually developing right now, and they have lots of things they put in place to make this platform work far better than every other platforms that have been used as a means of transaction in the past. Some of the benefits of these applications are: one, coti is developing a consumer offering that will provide unfriendly users gateways to a range of payments related services encompassing both fiat and digital currencies. And also, this coin has a platform whereby you can actually store your digital currency and fiat currencies. You can actually secure your fiat currency like the US dollar, the Great British pound, and every other currency has been listed on the coin market right now. So I would like you guys to download the applications once it's been launched. Just download the application now. You can be using it for making payment online, and even in Amazon, which will also be accepted. In Scree, it's used in Scree right now. PayPal can also be used in PayPal to make some transaction online through the applications. And one of the benefits is that exchanging digital and fiat currencies, coti users will be able to use their wallet to move funds from currency to another by posting market or limit orders to coti exchange. This currency supported at the outset will include US dollar, like what I told you earlier, the Europe, the Great British pound, and several leading digital currencies, including coti native currency. And one more thing is that it also has a benefit in peer-to-peer transactions. Coti users will be able to make instant, secure transfer to their peers who hold coti wallets. Transfer will be instant with low to zero fees, unlike other platforms that huge transaction charges are being charged by users. But this currency platform, it has a very low transaction charges. And also, one of the huge thing the team have put to place is debit card. This debit card can connect the coti network with other payment retailers. Coti is offering users access to debit cards that links directly to coti wallet. The rationale for offering this card is that they will enable users to effect payment from their coti wallet when dealing with merchants that have not yet integrated with coti. Merchants like Scree and all other big merchants in the cryptocurrency world can actually use these applications to transfer money from their consumers to their other consumers, from one consumer to another. And last but not the least, the second pillar of this coti network is success, is the extent to which it can attract and retain a large base of merchants that accept payment using coti rails. To this end, coti is developing a suite of merchants, tools, and services that make coti a compelling proposition for merchants as an addition to and also replacement for their existing payment systems. That's a great one. The team have done a lot of jobs. The third pillar of this coti network success is the extent to which it can attract and retain a sufficient volume of capable mediators to address the volume of disputes occurring in the network at any given time. In addition to having sufficient economic incentives, the mediator require tools to facilitate their contributions to the dispute resolution process. The coti network will enable external projects to build their applications based on coti innovative distributed ledger technology. To this end, coti is developing a suite of tools, services, and incentive programs that will support third parties with migrating their technology to coti-based layout protocol. These are how the services are being rendered, the applications that the coti network is rendering to the entire society. It's connecting both the third parties and the end users, and the coin together. So it's a very easy platforms. You don't have any difficulty. It's user friendly. So, and like what I told you earlier, there are a group of team leads from Israel that have developed these applications. The CEO of this application is Shahar. Shahar is a co-founder and former CEO of Web3, a leading multinational digital marketing firm. Shahar holds a BSc degree in biotech and economics from Tel Aviv University. So many of these guys who works on these projects are from Tel Aviv Institution, and they've been friends and they work on several projects. There's a particular woman here that has worked on is a cryptographer and has worked with Yahoo for years now, has MSc degree in computer science from Tenure. We also have a great guy here, Gilad, who works with KMPG, and KMPG is one of the big financial institutes in the world right now, and he has a very lot of experience in financial transaction. He also helps to build the team and also has contributed a lot of ideas on the applications and services of coti. And we also have a man called Samuel Falcon, co-founder, VP Community. Samuel has a vast experience in digital currency and fintech industry and has held previous roles in product development. You can follow us on social media. We are on Facebook, facebook.com/coti network. Also on Twitter. You can also follow us on Twitter. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, on Reddit, coti network, Telegram. Also on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is written here, and also if you want to check more on the white paper, you can visit the website www.coti.io. Has a lot of things to explain to you, but if you have any question about this application, the benefits, how you benefit from it, and maybe your friends and families, please just drop a comment on the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay cool.